As PMU artists, we all know one thing: a machine can look amazing on the describe, but the real question, how does it feel when you are actually walking on the skin? Today I'm testing the MAST TOUR 2 Pro and I'm talking about the things that really matter. Alright, get comfortable, let's go! Hi guys! If you have been with me for a while on this channel, hey fam, you already know my name is Olga. I'm permanent makeup artist and trainer, areola restoration and pro makeup artist and cosmetologist. So believe me when I say I know the pain beauty pros go through. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button right now because I have got a lot of useful and professional content for you. All information in the video is subjective opinion of the author, so please read the disclaimer in the description of the video. MAST Permanent Makeup is a professional brand created by the Dragonhawk, one of the world's largest manufacturers of tattoo and permanent makeup equipment, according to the company on its official website. MAST Permanent Makeup was born from a simple pursuit: tools that feel beautiful and work even better. With artists as our North Star, we design permanent makeup machines and cartridges that color faster with less trauma and make natural brows, eyes and lips easier to achieve every day. On my desk today is one of MAST classic white boxes. There is an anti-fake verification code. Just the scratch of the protective layer, scan the QR code and enter the verification code to confirm that your machine is authentic. Let's open it. Inside, instruction in English. An RCA connection, making it compatible with a wide range of power supplies. Small box with Type-C for charging wireless battery. The RCA cable for work with an RCA adapter. And spare O-rings. And here we have the MAST TOUR 2 Pro. It comes in a classy powder pink finish with the MAST logo and these faceted details. It's 126 mm long and my first impression is that the weight feels really comfortable in the hands. Now let's take a closer look at this pen. In the technical characteristics, the machine weight is 111 grams. We will check it on the scales. On our scales is 109 grams. For a wireless pen, it's really pretty lightweight. The grip has a narrower section for a more comfortable finger position, and the overall ergonomic design makes the machine convenient to hold. But there is a slight top-heavy balance, but only little. The pen has three colors: red, purple and pink. At its narrowest point, the grip diameter is 21 mm. According to the manufacturer specifications, the maximum grip diameter is 26 mm. The grip is removable and the manufacturer recommends the grip is autoclavable and can be sterilized using steam or cold sterilization solution. After using for 3 months, remove the grip and apply some petroleum jelly to reduce friction. The other parts don't require any maintenance. The needle stroke 3.5 mm, which provides moderate heating power. This is hybrid, so you can comfortably work with different techniques in different areas. This is a factory setting that we cannot change. Needle depth is adjusted by twisting the grip. The device also can work with different power supplies through an RCA adapter. But when you're using the wireless battery, you get up to 3 hours of runtime. A full recharge of the wireless battery takes about 1.5 hours. The operating voltage is from 1 to 10 volts. It supports ultra-low voltage operations. This gives you the flexibility to work even at very low voltages with slower hand movement. MAST TOUR 2 Pro costs around $100. Simple operation with 3 buttons. To turn it on, press and hold the power button for 2-3 seconds. The display shows the current voltage, the battery level, motor speeds, and total working time. The 2 arrow buttons adjust the working voltage. The voltage can be adjusted while the machine is powered on. The MAST TOUR 2 Pro also features built-in memory parameters. These are displayed as different icons: lips, shading, eyeliner, eyebrow, and lining. Each is explained in detail in the user manual. When the pen is turned off, the voltage buttons are used to switch between these memory parameters. In the instruction, for example, the lining icon is recommended for bold outlines and crisp lines and works with a working voltage range 7.5 to 9 volts. The eyeliner icon appearance eyeliner, suggesting settings for delicate eyeliner work with a working voltage at 5 to 6.5 volts. However, it's important to remember that these are simple the manufacturer's suggested settings, not strict rules. Your actual working voltage should always be based on your hand speed, techniques, experience, and personal working style. Every artist develops their own preferred settings, depending on the treatment area, technique, and individual approach. For example, I can choose for lips or eyebrow 5.5 volts. For lining, for example, 6 volts. For eyebrow or eyeliner, 5 volts. It will be my operating voltage for my work. Now it's time for the practical part. For this test, I'll be using some MAST Pro 2 cartridges, and I'll be doing a full review about these cartridges soon. Don't miss it. Now let's turn on our machine. You can feel a slight vibration, but honestly it doesn't affect with my work at all. The sound is typical of a modern rotary pen. Let's start. My usual working voltage for powder pros is 5 volts, but with this pen 5.5 volts felt more natural for my hand speed. The straw has a moderate amount of stiffness and snap with a fairly springy feel when paired with MAST Pro 2 cartridges. To get smooth, consistent pigment flow with this machine, I'd recommend keeping the needle protrusion at 3 mm or less for all PMU techniques. Well, let's sum up our video review, guys. The MAST TOUR 2 Pro is a wireless pen with a slim grip and a form factor that's comfortable enough for everyday work. An all-around 3.5 mm strokes works well for different permanent makeup techniques and treatments: brows, lips, eyelids, areola and camouflage. Simple controls and the options to work both wirelessly and with an RCA adapter. I believe this machine is suitable for beginner and experienced permanent makeup artists who are looking for an affordable all-around machine. But as with any machine, you'll need to find the voltage that matches your own hand speed and technique. I wish you beautiful works. See you later.